Hello and welcome to a new recipe video. My name is ceikeverjn. And this is the Immortal Vegan. Today we'll make a wok of zucchini, sweet pepper we're using it, a little bit of mushrooms, and some cucumber, some cute cucumber, a little bit of black seasoning seeds, black pepper and turmeric, soy sauce, a bit of sugar, not white sugar, brown sugar, coconut sugar or palm sugar, a few of them is the best. A little bit of tomato juice, and those are the ingredients for the wok that you can put noodles to. What I will make for you today, and you can make them for yourself. The first thing is the mushrooms, and then you put a little bit of water to it because I don't use oil. Then cook the oyster mushrooms and normal mushrooms a little bit, using this one. After that, put the soy sauce to the mixture, plus the tomato juice, and then put all the veggies to it. But not already. The zucchini, you can put it now right into it. So you can also put it in the end if you want it. But I don't know. On top of it. Then I put the sugar also on top of it. Then the curcuma, black pepper, and the black sesame seeds. And you take one pint of noodles. If you cook it for one person, or you don't eat so much, you are with more pure people. I most of the time used this amount. Now, if the noodles are cooked, then you see that there is a little to no water. And pan over after 2 minutes cooking. What you then after that do is put the half of the vegetables to it. And mix it together. After that, put the rest to it. So, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Forget not to check out the links in the description below to my other channels. And I'll see you next time. Cut the fire up.